Dear Jesus, I come to you today with a heavy heart. You know the pain I'm carrying. You see the tears I've cried when no one else was watching. You understand this ache inside me that won't go away. I need your help, Lord. I feel so lost without him. I miss him every single day, every morning when I wake up, every night before I sleep. The emptiness is overwhelming, and I don't know how to fix this on my own. Jesus, you know what we had together. You were there in our happy moments, in our laughter, in the love we shared. Those memories are so precious to me. The way he looked at me, the sound of his voice, the feeling of being loved by him. I don't understand why he left. I don't understand why his heart turned away from me. Every day I wonder what went wrong, what I could have done differently, how things fell apart so quickly. This pain is real, Lord. It hurts so much that sometimes I can barely breathe. I feel like part of me is missing, like I'm incomplete without him. I know you understand heartbreak. You felt every kind of human pain when you walk this earth. Jesus, I pray for him right now, wherever he is. Please watch over him. Keep him safe and healthy. Be with him in his struggles and his joys. But Lord, I'm asking you, please touch his heart. Please remind him of what we had together. Help him remember the good times, the love we shared, the connection that was real and beautiful. If there's any confusion in his mind, please clear it away. If there's any hurt or anger in his heart toward me, please heal it. Soften his heart, Jesus. Turn his thoughts back to me. Help him see that what we had was worth fighting for. Jesus, I'm begging you, please bring him back to me. I know you can do miracles. I know nothing is impossible for you. You can change hearts. You can restore what's broken. You can bring the dead back to life. So I know you can bring our love back to life. Please work in his heart right now. Draw him back to me. Make him miss me the way I miss him. Help him realize that he still loves me, that he still wants to be with me. Turn his love back to me, Lord. Rekindle what has grown cold. Bring back the feelings he used to have. Make him want to reach out to me, to talk to me, to see me again. I'm not asking for something wrong, Jesus. I just want to love him and be loved by him. I want us to be together again, to build a life together, to make each other happy. Lord, I'm willing to change. I'm willing to be a better partner to him. Show me my mistakes so I can learn from them. Help me grow into the woman he needs, the woman he can truly love and cherish. If I hurt him in any way, please give me the chance to make it right. If I failed him, let me prove that I can do better. I want to be the best version of myself for him, for us. I'm ready to forgive anything that happened between us. I'm ready to start fresh, to leave the past behind, to focus on building something beautiful together. Jesus, I feel so desperate. Some days I don't know how to keep going. The waiting is so hard. The not knowing is torture. The silence from him breaks my heart over and over again. Please don't let this be the end of our story. Please let there be hope for us. I believe you brought us together for a reason. I believe our love means something. I believe we're supposed to be together. Give me a sign that you're working on this. Help me feel your presence in this painful time. Let me know that you hear my prayers, that you care about what I'm going through. I'm asking you for a miracle, Jesus. Bring him back into my life. Open the door for us to reconnect. Create opportunities for us to see each other, to talk, to remember what we mean to each other. Put me on his mind and in his heart. Let him think of me when he wakes up and before he falls asleep. Make him unable to forget me, unable to move on without me. Break down whatever walls are keeping us apart. Remove any obstacles, other people, pride, fear, hurt feelings, misunderstandings. Clear the path for us to come back together. Help him reach out to me. Give him the courage to call me, to text me, to tell me he wants to try again. And when he does, please give me the wisdom to say and do the right things. Jesus, I'm praying for more than just his return. I'm praying for a real relationship with him, a loving, healthy, lasting relationship. I want us to be happy together. I want us to support each other, encourage each other, bring out the best in each other. Help us build something strong this time, something that can weather any storm. Teach us how to love each other better. Show us how to communicate, how to resolve conflicts, how to stay connected, even when things get difficult. I want to wake up next to him, to build a future with him, to experience life's joys and challenges by his side. I want to be his partner, his comfort, his best friend, his love. Jesus, I'm putting this entire situation in your hands. You know how much I love him. You know how much I want this. You know every detail of my heart's desire. I trust that you love me and want what's best for me. I trust that you're powerful enough to make this happen. I trust that you can turn this situation around completely. Please don't leave me in this pain. Please answer this prayer. I need him back, Lord. I need us to be together again. I believe in you, Jesus. I believe in your power to heal and restore. I believe you can bring him back to me and turn his heart toward me once again. Until that day comes, please give me strength. Help me hold on to hope. Comfort me in my loneliness. Dry my tears. Heal my broken heart enough that I can keep living, keep praying, keep believing. Thank you for hearing my prayer. Thank you for caring about my pain. Thank you for the miracle I know you're going to do. In your precious name I pray. Amen.